What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to take you on a little ride with me real quick. Nothing too crazy. Just kind of bored right now, and just wanted to test out my new camera and my mic. So I'm just gonna go on a little spin here, nothing crazy. So, just gonna come out here. But anyways, so I just purchased the purple Panda microphone here, and just got it all kind of set up on my helmet. Nothing too special. But just really wanted to see how it's gonna sound. As soon as these cars go by. Trying to check the wind noise and everything, and see if you can even hear me talking. I just have it kind of set up. I have one of those, you know, adventure style helmets. So really it just, I have everything attached to the front and then just use some electrical tape to kind of hold up some of the extra cables or wires from the microphone, because they are super long. So it's not the most pretty looking thing, but we'll see how it does. Little cruise here, just a little circle. I haven't rode the bike in probably a little over a week, so special. Was gonna get up a little bit earlier this morning and actually go for a real ride, but some other things kind of came up, just trying to refinance our house here soon, so didn't want to get too far outside of phone range in case my wife called me. So this little loop, circle back, whatever you want to call it, will have to do, sadly. So just kind of more of a quick check on this microphone and see for the price if it was really worth it. But it was only like 30 bucks, so no hard feelings if it's garbage, basically. Got a bunch of hilly roads around me. Got the police station here. We just had sadly a sheriff basically get killed the other day while pulling surveillance on a couple of drug dealers, which is really sad. He was basically just kind of sitting in his car, just sitting there, and kind of from what I got, they basically just ambushed him. I know this probably wasn't the most entertaining video, but I think it was just more for me to see how this mic is going to work out for me when I actually go up in the mountains. You know, I've been looking for some more trails up by Mount St. Helens and areas over there, because that's kind of the area that I live in. And so I'm going to review this video and just kind of see how it's going to work out. If I need to kind of adjust where the microphone is actually at, and if I need to close the little front vent in my helmet so that it doesn't eat a bunch of the wind and make a, you know, super annoying heavy wind sound. So hopefully, if anything, you get to kind of see the bike kind of just zipping around, you know, 50 miles an hour. Nothing too crazy out here right now. And yes, I know my service light's on, but the dealer basically told me, since we've seen your bike, you know, 4 times basically since I was having some issues, they told me not to worry about it until I hit about 1,000 miles. If anybody is in the Portland, Vancouver, Washington area and is kind of looking for some people to ride with, or add somebody to their little riding group, please let me know. You know, I'm pretty new to, not new to riding. I've had dirt bikes and everything, but definitely new to this type of riding. So I'm always looking to find new places to go. I know some people have better places and kind of know some hidden gems. Don't worry, I won't give your secrets out whatsoever. And who on God's green earth is calling me? Watch out for people around here. Everyone parks their shit all over the road. Come back to me, casa. Open up the garage here. Yeah, but here's kind of the bike right now. It's been running pretty good since I have gotten it back, which is a good thing.